Hanta kasi ka country trik no pra harjar al pusau ka senjuk kan hikai school SSA ki hab apo ka satri ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body ki bla pelong hab dan student jau ha ka belawan dari spangun kan hikai bagan thup kan lam jong ka senjuk ha be dei bat kan hikai ki bre bel yak MTET ka sarkar ka de busim khia ya borok kan hikai SSA ki ba penyeso syaka kam lane shwa ka sitrik u Naitung harjar arpo kabde katarik bakatran education kapmi Iaka notification halor kane kade jingelang kabar hadin bakila ya kendu bak sarkar jila barkarai kabala sim kalong pan sange no ya jingeki hendrei ban budden lembaga jingekran bak sarkar nalor kane kila rairu ban ajingmut ya sarkar ban thungno daga empower committee ya bakan thup ya dikhot naknat pule puti ka sarkar jila ka low personal finance planning but naga association kenang peniok penikaran halor kikam ki berang sateng ki bayade bat kinong hikai SSA
India. The second letter was sent on 16 August 2021, and this letter was also sent to all the secretaries of the states and union territories in India, informing them that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is with effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. And this letter was signed by Manish Garg, who is the Joint Secretary to the Government of India. Why we have to clarify regarding these two letters? Because we want you all the SSA teachers to know that what we are talking about, we are talking with facts and documentation. Kaya kabang ikren harangkat bat kijing shisha, harangkat bat kikot kisla, ban sakhi, ya kaya kaba ni ikren. Ngim don hamne, ngim don por hero ban pen thame ya phi kinoi kaya SSA. Naman kaya ngin yo na kabangin pen thame ya phi yong, kaya ngin yo. Kaya kaya kabang iyato, shubi kinoi kaya SSA. Karena jing shisha kenang ba ngin sutu ya ka kamram ka bangide banle. Why we the Meghalaya? We express our sincere thanks and gratitude to all the SSA teachers who present on the general meeting which was held on 2nd October 2024 at the same place. And it's because of that meeting, as highlighted by our General Secretary, there are some positive outcomes from the government. As highlighted by the General Secretary, on 3rd October, we have submitted that resolution to the government. And on 16 October, the Education Minister have invited us for a talk. After that, we have got a chance to meet the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma on 28 October 2024. And on that meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister have assured us that he will call a meeting for further discussion regarding the grievances of the SSA teachers. At that meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister also informed the association that the government is committed and is very positive as far as SSA teachers issue is concerned. And on that meeting, we, the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, have requested the Honorable Chief Minister to also invite our SSA teachers friends, those who are in other association, to be there in that meeting, which he informed us that he will call for further discussion. And the Honorable Chief Minister also informed us that he will also include the 4th Teachers Association to be present on that meeting. Yala ka jong kahok. Kenmao prano hikaya si bui. Aba piyoi bangyadon tangkan le hang le kenmao kibadon sheying, kibom la banwan, kibadon kijing kipoper, kiyebu jingdwai lang yang ni. Kibu jingdwai kerbang lang yang ni ba, ka meeting mendakas ni, kan long kepajok. Waktu jingkerben ngau ngipi. Ka streng jong ni lade peni, hakini kipor kipaladem. Mentang yang wanang ni ban pensyai. We come here today to deliberate the outcome of the meeting of the first and the second meeting which we had with the government, especially with the education department. Kebarangkong as no day ban ai